Hoover. She let me finger fuck her on the school bus. We used to cut school with her, run train. She wanna hang with us, we want one thing. Jet penetrating that dope dog. She choke on it like smoke dog.
What's good, YouTube? Good morning. I am at the truck stop right now. I got this real easy, chill load. It was real easy. I had a load to drop off in Tampa yesterday, and this broker that I'm real cool with, he called me and said, hey, I got one of them loads that you like running. Because, you know, the warehouse is right by the house. It's real short, nothing but roofing products, 15, 20 miles away from the house, like real easy stuff, real easy loads. So I told him, yeah, go ahead and just put me on it. So he went ahead and assigned it to me. That was Friday. So yesterday after I dropped off my load, I had to go pick up that load. Real simple load. All this stuff is nothing but roofing, like real easy shit. I picked up that load yesterday. The only thing I don't like about this warehouse is everything got to be tarped. It's a real short load. I hate tarping. I mean, I do it because, you know, that's what comes with the territory, especially with flatbed. But if I don't have to tarp, I'd rather not tarp. And these loads don't even be going far enough for me to tarp, but it's like, it pays real good, it's short. Yeah, so I took it anyways. But anyways, like I've been driving this morning. I'm about maybe like, 90 miles away from my drop. My tarp is flapping like crazy and that junk is annoying. So I stopped here to fix my tarps, and I also need 2 placards. So. Look at my tarp back there. Hanging down on the ground. It was a real quick and easy job. So I'm like, you know what? So these fools did not have placards. So I had to just kind of nigger rig the placards that I do have now, just so that like they could fit or whatever. Not even fit much so much, them things were ripping or whatever. So I had to do a little surgery on it, make sure it's DOT standards or whatever. But I'm done with that. I taped it up real good and I'm ready to rock and roll. So let's just continue.